Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today I'm going to show you how to do a service light reset on this 2017 Vauxhall Astra. Just left it running to show you the warning we've got there. To start with, we'll just turn the ignition off, and if you just turn it on, leave the lights on there, and all we're going to use is the menu button here and a little button on the end of the stalk, the set and clear button. Now if you press the menu button, press clear to start with to get rid of that, and press the menu button, and you want to scroll by just clicking it to the centre one, the picture of the car there, and then if you twist the stalk there, you can scroll down and you've got all the different menus there. You scroll to the oil life there. Now once on the oil life, press and hold the button on the end of the stalk. Come up with asking if you want to reset it, scroll up with the arrow and confirm it again with the button on the end of the stalk, and that's all reset now. If you turn it back off, restart it, that's all reset. Easy as that. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.